Hi everyone, Tyler here, and in today's video, we're going to teach you how to equip banner frames in Apex Legends. Now, first things first, we're going to want to be in the lobby here, and the first thing we're going to do is go up to Legends. We'll need to decide which legend we want to go ahead and change the banner frame for, and I'm going to go ahead and pick Wraith. We'll go ahead and click on that legend, and then we'll go up to Banners at the top here. We'll click on Banners. And then from here, we can go ahead and switch the frame. Now you can go ahead and scroll through this list and see which one you like. And at the bottom, right down here, you can see it says there's an equip button right here. We'll go ahead and hover over whichever one we would like and click equip. From there, we can go ahead and set whichever one we would like. If we would like to preview it, we can go ahead and hit the select button that is right down there. So let's see if we like that one. No, let's see if we like this one. Yeah, that one looks great. We'll go ahead and hit the equip button, and now our banner is selected. We can go ahead and go back to the lobby, and to check and make sure it works, we can go ahead and click on our name, and there we go. There is our new banner frame. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, be sure and subscribe.